What's up guys, it's me Geek. So how to change the font and display size on your Huawei Honor Note 10 or EMUI 8. Go to the setting, go to the display setting, display, and then from here you can easily change. There's a view mode. Let me go to the smaller. This is small view mode. As you can see, go to the largest. Okay, this is the largest view mode. Personally, I like to set here on default. Now let me show you the text size. This is huge. As you can see, huge. This is small. As you can see, this is small, and this is normal. Okay, let me go again. Text style. You can easily download some of the new text if you want. So yeah, it was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.